Morning guys, just want to do a quick video. I wasn't planning on it today, but the wife, it's New Year's Day, she told me to throw some ribs on the Traeger. And guess what? The Traeger didn't work. So I wanted to show how we did a little fix on it and get things going. Plugged it in, the switch was flashing on and off, just kind of like it wasn't making a good connection in there. So I thought, well, maybe my switch is bad. I didn't have any juice going to it. Tried to figure out what was going on. So I ended up pulling the switch. And if you pull this godforsaken thing, it's got two red wires and a green wire. Just took a fork and put it in between the two red wires to verify it was my switch that was bad, and sure enough it was. You can just peel that switch off with just a little pry tool here. Anyways, saved the day. The fork saved the day. Ended up running out to the shop and grabbing a double male fitting and a little electrical tape. And now, hopefully, we saved the day. But I just wanted to pass that on in case you guys are getting ready to watch the game and hoping to have ribs or whatever you're cooking. That could have been a disaster. Don't throw that piece of junk out. In fact, I will point out, this thing has never looked better. It's been garbage since day one. And I wonder if that switch wasn't causing me problems for years. So anyhow, take care. We'll hope to see you soon on the lake. Thanks.